I'm showing today Les Olemia. That's an unbelievable new development neighborhood. They are investing 4 billion. They do have like the biggest swimming pool in Florida. They have the newest building here. That's one Tamberry. I'm going to show one unit, similar unit in that building. It's selling for around 3 million. This, they do have a new swimming pool, a very nice gym, tennis court. Let's take a look. This is a corner unit. 1109. Okay, this unit here is probably one of the best deals if you're looking large unit. The total square footage with the balcony is above 2,500 square feet. Okay, let's take a look here. The layout, because the corner unit is an unbelievable nice layout. They do have this first switch. They do have the window. They do have a very large, this is almost a king size, but to be able to put a king size, they do have their own bathroom. The bathrooms is original from 2006. This third bedroom, they do have the walk-in closet. They do have the second bedroom here. This good advantage in the second bedroom, they have the window with privacy. You're able to see the condominium. They built it like a brand new Costco here in the front. You're able to see a little bit better the amenities here. They do have 2 closets. They do have their own bathroom here with a window. They did some renovation in the flooring. They do have this extra space here, storage. The parking from this one is covered. They do have the second one with valet. The air conditioner look like a brand new air conditioner. I don't know the year, but look like in great conditions or new. They do have this supposed to be the 4th bedroom if you decide to close, but it's a den. They did like a TV room, but it's a very nice. They able to do it. They have 2 bedrooms over there, 1 space for den. They do have the master suite here. This is the half bath, able to attend for guests and the people that use this one as a bedroom here. The kitchen is a very large kitchen. It's amazing size. Okay, they did some refresh. They do this panel, but basically this granite is original. That's a good shape. The build is not that old. It's a 2006, 2007. But probably you want to do some renovation or to keep it the way it is. It's being rented. That's the laundry area. If the laundry area is a corner, because the corner, they do have a lot of light. The size is amazing, okay? They're going to do like a new building over there, another one there. But like I said to you, this is a one Tamberry, similar unit like this one, 2,500 square feet. They are selling for more than 3 million. Here, you're able to buy for around $250 per square feet. Over there is about 1,200, 1,300. And here, the balcony, they changed this glass. They are putting glass over there. There's a brand new balconies. As you can see, you have some ocean view here. Let's see here, you have some ocean view. It's kind of dirty, the windows. You're not able to see, but you're able to see in person much better. Okay, you're able to see the entire Sunny Isles, you're able to see the rollover, you're able to see the Bal Harbor, you're able to see Miami Beach, Miami downtown, unbelievable views, okay, above the trees. This is a protected, is a Oleta River Park, and here, you see here how huge this, and you're able to probably buy below the 600,000 this unit, and that's amazing price. Today, the new constructions, they ask at least $1,000 per square feet, and this one for $250 per square feet. That's the best deal from this kind of size unit. This is the master suite. That's the 3rd or the 4th bedroom. The master suite, you have 2 walk-in closets. The tenants look like very clean people, everything organized. And here is the master bathroom. Everything is original from 2006, but it's in good shape. Okay, they do have the box over there. And here you have their own windows from the master bathroom. And that's amazing. You have a lot of light, corner unit, huge, if you're looking for a big unit.